Very good evening, friends. I'm Nalini Swami, welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. This is another video regarding the greatness of my option dual premium, Nalini dual premium, CEPA premium. Many traders actually they spend lot of time in finding the stocks itself. Every morning, traders spend hours searching hundreds of stocks. But I found an hack. I don't do that. I simply open the Zerodha dashboard and I check the top gainers and top losers. That's what it is coming on the Zerodha dashboard. So whoever trades on the Zerodha platform, they know this actually. If they don't, they can scroll down, they will get the top gainers and top losers. From there, I shortlist only one or two stocks. That's it. Because I cannot trade more than that. If one stock gives me very good amount, what more you want? Sometimes, many times, I'm an option buyer. Many times, what happens? What happens is Nifty will not give you that much movement. It will be choppy. Only few days. If you are lucky enough, you will get the trade. That too single day. Now I am on the crude oil chart just to show you how this dual option premium engine is working. You can see that call option is rising and the crude oil is, you can see crude oil is popping up 450 points. I've applied the 8,800 call option and put option simultaneously. This is the call option which is moving higher. Coming to the stock selection, you can make money in the stock options too. You can materialize this with the help of my Nalini dual option premium engine. See, from there I shortlist only one or two stocks. Yesterday it was Bajaj Auto. Day before yesterday it was Eicher Motors. Today it was OFSS, Oracle Financial Service. So when I opened immediately, actually when pre-market settles, no, there you get the top gainers and top losers immediately there also. Immediately when I opened, this Oracle Financial Service was 2.2 percentage. I had not seen this stock for many days, even on technical, and who can remember the chart, everyday chart of each and every stock. So then what I did is immediately after seeing that, I selected OFSS and I apply it on my watch list. The first step is extremely simple, stock selection. What you do, you open Zerodha dashboard, scroll it down, look at the top gainers and top losers. Don't chase every stock. Only which one comes at the top. Comes at the top means it will be, definitely it will be with the volume, with the percentage gain. So then when OFSS appeared in the top gainers list, after opening it was nearly 2.2 percentage up. But when I am unfamiliar with that stock, immediately what I do is, first step, I apply this on let me go to this is on the crude oil chart, live, this one, let me go to the OFSS chart. When I applied this, on the previous day was a very huge bearish stock. And this gap up is area gap. Area gap, it was only, see, I have marked it as in green color there, that wick. It was a gap up 2.5 percentage. Immediately when I saw this on the daily chart, it was bearish stock. Bearish stock, huge bearish closing at the bottom, and it is gapping up. Then I know it is an inside bar. inside bars are dangerous. Then immediately I applied see it was, you can see over here, if I place the cursor, it is 11,395 that week. So I selected 11,000 immediately. Let me trade. If it gives trade, well and good. If it doesn't give trade, it's okay. So then I applied both the call option, 11,000 call option and 11,000 put option. So when I applied the 11,000 call option, this is on the top is the 11,000 put option and the bottom is the call option. So what happened? The morning, the call option popped up, right? Because market was 2.2 percentage gap up. Then it started coming down. And both these premiums converged with each other and the call option moved towards the downside and this popped up like a huge move. Around 11:15, I don't know what has happened, what news came into the media. I don't listen to the news or anything. It started moving like anything within single 15-minute candle. It popped up from 240 to 1112. Yes, huge move. You could have made 80,000 rupees. Yes, friends, 80,000 rupees in this single candle. That too, that was materialized with the help of my, it was only possible with the help of my Nalini dual option engine. Otherwise, no comparison, you will not make out anything and you will not come to know any price movements. And this dual option engine is uh, coded in such a way, it gives you compression. Compression is the real thing. When both the call option and the put option, they are approaching with each other, you can simultaneously, if I place the cursor on the this one, you can see 244. At 244 was the price level where they were converging. Where they were converging at 240 price, and the if I saw this price action over here, this was lower high and pull back, again pull back to the making the lower high. And you can see this is the call underlying also this dual option engine plots the uh, pivot point of the call option. And this is the base grid line. The price is well below the base grid line. This is sell on rise. When I saw this, and it is at that point, you can see the convergence over here. Notice the time over here. Notice the time, exactly 10:45. The process was happening over here. Compression was opening. Oh, it was happening around 11:15 and everything, 10:45 and everything. Then it popped up. It popped up like anything, and later even you could have made money selling this option. The call option never came up so much. It went up to 92 rupees. Of course, a little bit of money you could have made, but there was no momentum. What goes up comes down. That's what happened. It was a just huge move plummeting to the bottom. It is an utter manipulation, what happens in the market, unless you know the things, unless this is the way you can select the stocks and you can trade it. This is how you can trade it. So every day you will get one or two stocks to trade it. You can select either from the top losers or from the top gainers. Just a simple thing. Top gainers and top losers will have definitely high volume, and the high volume reflects the high open interest. And if the price is rising with high open interest, or price is falling with high open interest, we can look for that. I need not go to any data or anything because I have stopped doing that. I did long back downloading everything, calculating the data, name it. I did so many things. Finally, I found out the simple way, simple indicator, and this indicator is really superior. It is a money spinning machine. Yes, friends, you can trade like this. I'm giving you an idea. I've given you the idea how you can select the stocks simply, not searching for here and there lot of things, hearing to news channel or reading something. Nothing, simple thing. No spending time, no I mean, I'm not uh, what to say, I'm not breaking my head which stock it will go. I'm not going on analyzing things. Just a simple thing. It comes, what it comes, I'm straight away bringing it onto the chart, applying my dual option engine, and I'll see what is going through that, what is the structure, and select the straddle at the money, wherever the price is there, where it is like a rolling straddles actually. Whenever the price goes up, and gets rejected, there only I selected 11,000 at the top and I applied it, and this is how I trade it. You too can trade if you want to. If you want to be profitable, you can message me on this number 98452 09600. This is my WhatsApp number. It is a paid indicator. You can message me regarding this indicator, Nalini option CEPA dual mission engine. So you will get the details for the access, and you can message me, WhatsApp me on this number. Thank you very much, friends. This is a case study which is very you are seeing on your chart, and here also on the live chart it went up, it is failing down. The crude oil went up. If I put the crude oil chart, it is mimicking. It went up and it is mimicking. It is coming down. Still it is bullish. So it is making an higher high and it is still bullish. So by seeing that you are not going to take any trade, let me go to the crude oil, this one straddle, and it went up and it made an high of 703 within this. So let me go to the 5 minutes. You can see over here it is a huge engulfing candle. Huge engulfing candle. It has come down from 705. It came down to again to the balance line 650 to 640, and again it is reversing back. So we need to see it is facing some sort of resistance. Crude oil is facing some sort of resistance at this level. Let me apply the crude oil. Let us check why this behavior on the chart. That's why I'm taking you to, let me take out, remove drawings. And this is the immediate resistance. I am on the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, it is 9,130, and this is the opening price of that candle. Okay. Now, that's why some sort of reaction is coming. It may be a fake thing because it is above the grid line. It is positive. It is a normal phenomena. When price moves up, it retraces back. We need to see only if it starts falling below, then it becomes bearish. But since morning it has gone up, and even on the hourly chart, we can go to the hourly and see on the left side. Left side, there are so many levels are there. Let me zoom it out. From there, it is a huge big candle. From 8,958, it was a bear candle. It is a pullback. So 8,800. Now it is trading above the 8,800. 838. Let me place the cursor over here. What is the high of this candle? High of this candle is 8,810. It is trading well above this level. Well above this level. And this is the another noteworthy 8,846. Probably That was the reason the call option, the price has been trading rejected from that price. Let us say it is not a bearish move, it is a natural phenomena. What is happening in the market, when it goes up, it is going sideways now. Sometimes it will go sideways, either to distribute or to still reaccumulate and go up. Okay, friends. Thank you very much, friends. This is the how you need, not only on Nifty, not only on Bank Nifty, not only on the Sensex. Everything has been made simple. You can trade on crude oil, commodities, whatever, name it. You can trade on that. Thank you very much, friends. Nalini Swami signing off. Do message me on this number 9845209600. You will get all the details. It is a paid indicator, friends. Thank you very much. Nalini Swami signing off.